Hi there, welcome to the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. This is Irene. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Today, we bring to you the Bekah 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. We have been getting a lot of requests to bring more bungalow house plans to you, and so here is another one. As always, if this is your first time watching our videos, karibu sana, and if you've been here with us before, asante sana. If you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Let's get into the video. The Bekah 3-bedroom bungalow house plan is a nice, medium-sized bungalow with well-designed spaces that flow into each other perfectly. There is no wasted space on this 3-bedroom house plan. This is the kind of home that many first-time homeowners would love. Not too expensive, but spacious enough. It is also a great retirement home design when you need just enough space for yourself without the challenges of staircases. This home design features an end-to-end front patio. This patio is fully covered and provides an excellent outdoor seating area that overlooks the front of the house. The patio forms an entrance porch that takes you into the inside of the home. Inside, you have a spacious lounge and a dining area in an open plan setup, giving easy flow of movement between the two rooms. To one side of the lounge, you have the master bedroom. Having the master bedroom isolated on one side gives it great privacy. The master bedroom is spacious with a master bathroom and a walk-in closet. On the other side of the lounge, you have two other bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom, and each bedroom is spacious enough for two occupants. Towards the back, you have the visitor's cloak room. You also have a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry. The spacious kitchen has an enclosed kitchen backyard. The enclosed backyard works very well for a dobe area or even a fully fitted laundry room. The plinth dimension of this house, what we call the footprint of the house, is 14.8 meters by 12.1 meters. With that dimension, this house plan is suitable for a 50 by 100 piece of land. The total area of this beautiful house plan is 142 square meters. It has 34 square meters of terrace space, the front and back terrace. The cost of construction for this home is approximately 5.5 to 6 million. As always, we get the cost of construction from the Construction Cost Handbook published by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. Keep in mind that this is a good budget to work with, but always remember that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction, depending on where you are in the country. And that is the Bekah 3-bedroom bungalow house plan, featuring 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. If you have any queries or questions concerning this house plan or any other of our house plans, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Our contact details are provided below. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in our next video.